Fiber Laser Cutting Machine X, Y Chains Installation Guide. 1. Put Y chain into the chain slot. 2. Fix the chain head to the machine with screws. 3. Put wires and pipes neatly in the chain. 4. Lock the chain caps. 5. Raise the chain tail. 6. Put screws into screws holes. 7. Put down the chain. Tight the chain tail screws. 8. Lock the chain slot cover. 9. Tight all screws. 10. Y chain is installed. 11. Put X chain into the chain slot. 12. Fix chain head to the laser head machine Z-axis. 13. Put wires and pipes neatly in the chain. 14. Lock the chain caps. 15. Raise the chain tail. 16. Put screws into screws holes. 17. Put down the chain. Tight the chain tail screws. 18. Lock the chain slot cover. 19. Tight all screws. 20. X chain is installed.